I have a Phillips TV remote. I took it apart with a knife. Be careful with it, guys. Has little clips on the side of it. Let me see if I can zoom in. Right there. Those. See that? That's where it catches. All over the remote. I use a knife. Be careful. Okay, so it wasn't working because when people drop the remote, they break it. So you see that right there? That connection there. There you go. I added solder to them, both sides. That should fix the problem. I just fixed this Philips TV remote. It wasn't saying the signal, and the way that you check it is with a camera on your phone. Look in there where the signal's supposed to be sent. Now I'm gonna press a button and you're gonna see a purple flashing light in there. Remember, I just fixed this remote. That's what it's supposed to look like. Now there is a LED and you can kind of see it in there, but I'm talking about this purple, pink flashing light. That's how you know the remote is sending signal. If you don't see this light, it doesn't work. Now how I fixed mine is I soldered it back on, made my TV work.